Reviewing how to use the Client Check-In Kiosk for clients who have appointments or clients who are walk-in. So what you'll want to do is from a device, probably a tablet or possibly a computer that is facing your clients, you'll want to log into the software and you'll go to the navigation menu on the left-hand side and go ahead and click Check-In Kiosk. What this is going to do is it's going to open up a list of the appointments today that have not yet been checked in, and it will show the check-in button with the time, the name, and the service and worker that they plan to see. The client cannot get into your software from here because it only forces you to log out from here. So the client can go ahead and check in for their appointment. So if I go ahead and click check in here, it's going to say thank you for checking in, and then it's actually going to send out, it's going to update the status to checked in, and if the worker has our downloaded worker app, it will send them the alert that their client checked in using a push notification. Over here on the right, you'll see walk-in. So if you offer walk-in check-in or traffic, they can go ahead and click this button for walk-in, and then they would put in their name. And let's say they just put an L for the last name, and then they select the service that they want to get done. And then they can select the worker they want to see or choose any, and then they'll go ahead and check in. And what that will do is it will add that client to the walk-in list, or the waiting list, I should say. So it will stay on here as a walk-in, and then if somebody has an appointment, they can click here and it will toggle back. So they can just use this button here in the upper right to toggle in between the two, and then that way you're able to manage your walk-in traffic. And then if somebody was a walk-in, you can log back into the software, you'll go to the appointment book, you can go to your waiting list, and it will show you your walk-in traffic. So if you see down here, these are all the check-ins for the walk-in. So this is the walk-in that I just noted, Shannon L, and she's going to check in for her appointment. And I can pair this client with an existing client, or I can say create new client. And then I can also assign the worker that's going to perform this service. So we'll go ahead and choose Shannon, and we'll pair that with Shannon Lear. And then the appointment's created. And now she's checked in for her appointment. It's right here. And that's how simple it is. Thanks for watching.